Okay, so I'm live right now, so I'm waiting for you guys to join in. So once you guys join, then I will start taking out the cards for today. Rather, I have already taken out the cards for today, which are these. Let's see how many of you can join in. Okay, so these are the cards which I'll be considering today, which is Animal Spirit card by Colette Brain Red. This is very important. Like what is animal spirit and how they are affecting us, what animal spirit is guiding us, and that is important. We should understand the kind of information which the universe is providing us through different kind of animals, whether we love dog, whether we love cat, why these animals, rabbits, are so adorable, why why we are attracted towards different kind of animals into our life. So basically, the spirit animal oracle are to express itself to you for your highest goods as it bridges the spirit world and the material world. Spirit world, which is animal world, it bridges the gap, and the hidden realms are real actually, just like the way we are real. Right now, what am I real? I'm not real, but I'm real. I'm virtual, but I'm not virtual. So this is what the animal spirit are. Okay. So it basically you are so much engrossed in the web of life that it welcomes you with the animal spirit that supports you and always loves you. So hello, Ashwini. So how the spirit animal oracle actually works? Why I'm explaining this, because I'm taking it live on the first time. So these are beautiful cards. Look at the card. Okay, this is like deer animal, and these are the cards look like so auspicious with the web of life. So okay, so how exactly it works? So it has different aspects to it. Normally, I ask the spirit animal oracle to speak to me or the new user, and the one card reading question I post: what was the first time the user expect when they begin to work with these new cards? And I have been privileged to co-create. Then I take out that what is best for everyone, what are their meanings, how these animal oracles are helping them to grow. So the first card which came, like let's do a quick numerology for today. It is 1st of May 2020. Ashwini, that would be great if you can just share this on your timeline, because I think it's too early for people to join in. So if you can share this on your timeline, maybe a lot many people, that's the only energy exchange I always need from anybody who is watching me live this early. So because I keep on running the different kind of watch parties, and with that I kind of help people to see them again and again. So this is how I do. So what you need to do right now is share this on your timeline so that other people can watch it, and they can just again share it. This is what the web of life is all about, that keep sharing and keep caring. I always tell this thing that only one click can change the life of somebody who actually needs it. Okay, with this, let me just put one song in so that others can also join. So basically, 1st of May 2020 is okay. 1st of May 2020 is basically it's 1 plus 5, 6 and 4, which is number 1, which is sun, and we can have sun which is just behind me in the east. So basically, sun is all about energy. Sun is all about life. Sun is all about Raja. Sun is all about ego. Sun is all about height of spiritualism, but with the help of guru. Okay, so to encourage your son, just respect your father, respect your elders, respect the bosses, respect the authority, respect the companies you're working for, and respect your maybe brother, maybe he was elder to you, maybe your husband or your wife, and whosoever is son in your life. Okay, so sun means knowledge, which is pure knowledge, and which is so bright that it just you don't have any answers to it. So this is what the sun is all about. So you keep on doing it, and give little bit water to sun also. And Om Suryaya Namaha, you can just chant this mantra if you are a mantrik person, or if you are not at all, respect your parents. That's everybody can do, irrespective of their religions. Okay, so with this, let me just club in one song for all of you, which is about sun. So just to bring in, okay, I think it would be a great song to listen to right now. So what I have done, I have clubbed the cards with the songs so that everybody can join in, everybody can enjoy. Because right now it's too boring just to come online with the numerology and doing the cards blindly and then working and then going back into this. Okay, so with this song, let's wait for a few more people to join in. Okay.
मंदिर छोड़कर हमारे साथ रहने आ रहे हैं। उत्सव की तैयारी करो।
Okay, so I'll be clubbing the songs with numerology and with these cards, which are spirit animal cards. I've already shown you what the numerology for today, which is 1st of May 2020, which is number Sun. For Sun, you need to pray Om Suryaya Namaha, and you need to have a cordial relation with your father. I know it's quite difficult sometimes, but yes, you can do that. So keep joining in, keep sharing in, and I'll keep you posted with this. And with this, let's go to the next level, which is okay, which is again a very nice Haryanvi kind of bhajan, which became very popular. So with this, with the 1st of May 2020, let's start with a song. Let's not go by the book like numerology. Okay, this is number one. Okay, these are the cards. Okay, do this. No, it should be different. Okay, because cards came with a playful approach, which is number 5. So it's playful approach, which is sandpiper spirit, be playful. So let's do it something different. Okay, let's try to do it with a different kind of attitude. So I'll leave you with this song, and by the time you share this on your timeline, Bhupinder, I can see that you're watching. Please share it. Sharing is always caring. That's what I always trust about. Okay, so with this sun energy and with this song, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, why don't you just enjoy this song by that time? And 1st of May, it's all about sun with a new beginning. So be happy and smile. Okay. Let me just put the sound. मेरे यार सुधा मारे भाई घने दिनों में आया मेरे यार सुधा मारे. Let me put like this here, okay? So I'll be back. Please share this on your timeline so that your friends, family, your relatives, and your cousins and those people who just you hate the most, they also join in. Okay, because so that your energy gets neutralized. Please do that. Okay, so let's remember Rishi Kapoor and play a kind of brief uh, tribute to him with Sri Devi. So, Sri Devi and Rishi. Okay, Sri Devi and oh, okay, okay. So if I want to search for the video, oh, it's not allowing me to do that. Okay, if I want to type in, okay, search my supporters. If I want to type in, okay, so it's Sri Devi and Rishi Kapoor songs. So let's do something from the Chandani and okay, so this is a song which we dedicate to Sri Devi and Rishi Kapoor. It's from Nagina, one of their most romantic and most thrilling kind of movie. So why I'm doing it? I'm doing it because I need to be playful. So why playful? Because I got a Sandpiper spirit card which says be playful. Okay, where's that card? Okay. तूने बेचैन इतना ज़्यादा किया. It is this. Rest in peace, Mr. Rishi Kapoor. So let me try tagging people. Okay, so rest in peace, Mr. Rishi Kapoor. That is important. Always remember him with love, okay? That's what he was spreading. He was very vocal about his different viewpoints on industry as well as in politics and whatever he felt about his son, about his daughter, about his family. He was very vocal about it, just like Rishi Kapoor was. So, just like his father Raj Kapoor was. Okay, so with this I'll leave you with this song and then definitely we'll start with the numerology and tarot for today. Okay, okay. इरादा किया तुझे हो गई नहीं वादा किया. Okay, so we will start because I was paying respect to the soul, departed soul of Mr. Rishi Kapoor along with Irfan Khan. So these are very good actors and they are actors because it's not war, because all the movies are always in front of us. So with this, let me start with the numerology for today. It's 1st of May 2020, which is Sun. So you need to respect your parents, respect your father specifically, respect the authority. Do not go in, against them. Make sure you surrender in front of them, and that is very very important. So keep sharing, keep carrying this. I remember all the previous stars like. Like this is one of the songs which I always remember about Rishi and Sri Devi. So let me play this for you. में अपनी जान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान रख दूं। तेरे निकले दिल मेरा रोए, अपने के तुझको तो दर्द मुझे हुए। सो तेरे निकले दिल मेरा रोए, छोट लगे तुझको तो दर्द मुझे हुए। तेरे जख्मों पे अपनी जान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान रख दूं। सैया ये बलिया जरा थाम ले तू, मुँह से किसी चीज़ का नाम ले तू। सैया ये बलिया जरा थाम ले तू, मुँह से किसी चीज़ का नाम ले तू। तेरे कदमों में जहान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान रख दूं, ओ मेरी जान, मैं तुझ में अपनी जान।
आजकल याद कुछ और रहता नहीं, एक बस आपके याद आने के बाद। आजकल याद कुछ और रहता नहीं, एक बस आपके याद आने के बाद। याद आने से पहले चले आइए और फिर जाइए जान जाने के बाद। आजकल याद कुछ और रहता नहीं, एक बस आपके याद आने के बाद। अपनी आँखों में मुझको बसा लीजिए, अपनी आँखों में मुझको बसा लीजिए, अपने दिल में मेरा घर बना दीजिए। क्या करूँ दिल कहीं और लगता नहीं।
Okay, so I just keep on listening to the songs. I don't know why So I think I'm in no mood to do the numerology and tarot right now. So, but yes, I'll just quickly make you go through, because ultimately this is what I came online for. So it's sun energy which is prevalent today, 1st of May, new sun. So the cards which are here are different animal spirits, which is sandpiper spirit, which means be playful, work on your Venus energy, try to have a different perspective of life, do not be very serious. It's about cat spirit, which is claim your independence. If you're tied up, then you need to claim it. If you not ask for it, it will never come. Fox spirit, think on your feet, which is basically 2 and 7, which is your moon energy and your Ketu. Okay, Reno spirit, which is overcome any obstacle, which is 5 plus 0, overcome it with grace, with Mercury, with intelligence, with your psychic abilities. Lion spirit is basically which is 3 and 7, which is from Guru to Ketu. Guru means intelligence, Guru means knowledge, Ketu means spirituality. Okay, so it's a yatra from 3 to 7, which is 1. With overcoming your ego, overcoming your anger. It's 3 and 7, which is lion spirit. Skunk spirit, which says 5 and 4. 5 is your Mercury and 4 is your illusion, which is Rahu. So 5 plus 4 is 9, which is Mars. So you need to overcome, know your worth. Okay, sometimes you need to fight for getting your worth out from the general public, even from your people who are around you. Rabbit spirit, which is like 4 and 9, which is again 4 is illusion, which is Rahu. Rahu also means lot of social media. Okay, and 9 is Mars, which fiercely confidence energy, but it is lower than sun, means it is not ego, it's confidence, it's fire, it's something like you are not scared, you are confident. So it is now is a lucky time. It's a new month beginning 1st of May 2020 with sun aura, and we are paying rest in peace message to Rishi Kapoor and Irfan Khan, so along with Sri Devi. So I will just close this session with the last song from one of their movies, and here you go. Okay. So let's see. Which is okay. Let's play this song. Okay, I have shared my YouTube link also. If you have missed this video, you can go to my YouTube channel, subscribe it, like it, and share your comments in there. And if you want a personal consultation, I will be sharing my number, which is okay. So I've shared my number in YouTube channel. You can just go there and watch this video later on. And let me leave with you with this song. Sharing is caring. Do share. Do not work on your ego. Work on your forgiveness. That is what this COVID 2019 is teaching us. Bring on Venus energy, which is 33. 3 and 3 is family. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching in and for doing this. Keep sharing and keep caring.
I love my
Take care. Bye bye.